Hello YouTube, it's Matt back here again. So after getting an unbelievably painful 7th grade vaccination for 7th grade at Walgreens, I also got this keyboard there. And the main reason why is because the original keyboard for my desktop stopped working. And I got that Logitech one for my birthday, but since that's Bluetooth, I actually have to pair that every single time I turn on the computer, which is a pain to do. So I bought this keyboard. So let's dig in. Okay, so as you can tell, I think we've got this open. Oop. And I ruined the box. Great. Now will everything come out as it should? Yes. This is not a toy. Good to know. Out of the bag, so here we go in terms of the actual keyboard, and it connects via USB-A, which is exactly what I need for my desktop. So this isn't intended to replace my Fire Adapter. Well, it's just a little extra one. Now, unfortunately, I can't test this out because it's a nightmare to actually post video of my desktop. Me testing this out with my desktop. This feels very nice so far. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video, and as always, peace out.